What's up, everybody? Arty here, Wicked Explorers. Tonight we are cooking a couple steaks. We are doing Brussels sprouts and bacon and some mashed potatoes as well. Get the mashed potatoes cooking as well. Get the water ready for the Brussels sprouts. Let's see, the bacon is cooking, which we're gonna add up to the Brussels sprouts, and I had to defrost the steaks. Yes, and they are nice and ready to go whenever we're ready. A couple sirloins. Today was an interesting day. I got tested for COVID-19 today. And the reason was because I'm a little bit hypochondriac. And the last couple of days I've been feeling kind of like flu-y, like achy. I had a cough. Didn't really feel good. Kind of fighting through it and everything like that. Headaches and body aches. I couldn't a lot of it. I was doing a lot of yard work. Maybe it was exhausting, but I do get paranoid because we do have little Henry, who's 5 months old and almost 6 months old, with a small immune system. I know it doesn't affect kids, but a kid, and I'm just very concerned. And also my parents watch Henry, and they're over 60, so I just wanted to make sure they were okay as well, in case I didn't come down with anything, and if I did, then I can isolate myself and everything. But here in Massachusetts, they have these nice little systems, which is you basically go and drive through, and it takes about an hour total to take this outside. Waiting for Sue and Henry to come home, but it takes about an hour, and it's not too bad. It's an hour, and you make an appointment, you pull in, they ask you some questions, give them your ID, and then you just kind of swab your nose, both nostrils, you put in a little envelope, and you go into the parking lot, and you wait. You wait about, I waited about half hour or so like that, so about 45 minutes to an hour. Definitely pretty cool, pretty nice to do, and a peace of mind of testing negative is actually really relieving too, because I was very nervous. But you know, other than that, this weekend I was working on this project right here, and you could see the dock. It looks like a trail. It looks like almost like a gopher was there. I actually put a new sump pump pipe up to the gully out there in the natural lands. The water used to come out right here in this little faucet, and the water would accumulate over in this region of the deck and make this whole area of the property wet. But we now gained all this land over here to that pole, so what I did was I created almost a retention pond, and while I was at it, I hooked up the adapter for the drain spout downspout that's going to be installed there. And then there's also another downspout over there, as you see, and I'm working on getting a pipe over to that gully as well. So you can't really see over here, but this gully is going to be a natural kind of waterway, which is nice, and all the water is just going to kind of go in that direction. And then yeah, so this is the finished product. I want a little cheese on my mashed potatoes. We got bacon, Brussels sprouts, sirloin steak cooked in the skillet, which is cooking right there, and mashed potatoes. I like my mashed potatoes with cheese. Suzi does not, so that's hers right there. That's the meal. Really hope you all are staying safe. Make sure you do what you can to stay safe. That's all I can really say. We'll be through this soon, hopefully. The light's in the end of the tunnel. So thank you guys for watching. As always, subscribe. Hit the little alarm right there so you get notifications. And we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.